I don't know why, and I've been guilty of this plenty of times because you're just moving, and you forget to document your lessons learned along the way. See, so what most project managers do, and I'm guilty of it, so I'm not pointing fingers at you, I'm pointing fingers at all of us, is that we wait to the end and then we have this big learning lesson type meeting and we say, hey, what went well, what didn't go well, what can we improve on, and blah, and blah, blah, blah. But that's not really effective. I'll be the, I mean, let me give more context. It's effective to a point of that you've been documenting along the way, because what I've learned over time in my decade of being in this thing we love called project management is that many times we forget some of the things that we went through on the project because we've solved them and we were just so glad to move on that we forgot to document. Man, that's a good lesson. That may be something that either we can learn in the future or a future project manager can learn. So that's why it's important to have your OPAs. What is that? Organizational process assets. So that's important that we have that stored that away, because what we're missing out is an opportunity to learn from our past mistakes, and being able to learn from our past mistakes or the mistakes of others will allow us to be better as project managers. Must move on to point number 6: inflexible planning.